This is why you need to know about the Pygmy Hippo. They're small, they're mighty, and they're absolutely adorable. Meet the Pygmy Hippo. These little wonders are like mini versions of their larger cousins, but don't let their size fool you. They pack a lot of personality into a small package. Weighing as much as a giant pumpkin, they tip the scales at around 500 pounds. They live in the forests of West Africa, spending their days lounging near rivers and swamps. Here's a fun fact. Pygmy hippos have slightly webbed feet, perfect for their semi-aquatic lifestyle. And those teensy ears? They can swivel to keep out water while swimming. Sadly, these tiny giants are endangered with fewer than 3,000 left in the wild. But conservation efforts are fighting to protect their future. Make sure to subscribe.